Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa has a beautiful wild barramundi fish head here. Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. This is half of a fish head coming from a 5 kg wild barramundi, my all-time favorite fish. The meat is very nice. I love the skin, and the price is very reasonable. I think it's only about 50 or 60 ringgit per kg. Yeah, very affordable. I'm going to steam it, so I will decide what kind of steamed fish sauce I'm going to make later. I don't know what yet. So what I did is, the fish is very thick, so I make few slits on the fish body, sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, put on a few pieces of ginger. Then we should send this to the steamer. So we need to preheat your steamer. Make it 100 degrees Celsius, and we're going to steam for approximately 10-11 minutes. So it's heating up right now. So once you have preheated your steamer, then we can carefully put in the fish in the middle. Let's go and make the steamed fish sauce. I've decided this is how I want to do my sauce. I have some salted black bean mince, fermented soya bean mince, ginger slices, garlic mince, spring onion mince, and some chili padi mince. Then Shaoxing wine, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, some dark soya sauce, some fish sauce, some oyster sauce, premium light soya sauce, salt, and also sugar. So we're going to put in some oil. Today I'm going to use my fried ginger oil. So it's already flavored. Optional, if you don't have this, you can just use normal vegetable oil, no problem. Once you have heated up the oil, we put in all the minced ingredient here. Those are the fermented beans, garlic, ginger, and the white portion of the spring onion. The rest I will put as a garnish. So saute this for a while. We'll come back shortly. It is super fragrant right now because of the fermented beans, right? This is only after about 1 minute, yeah? Then I'm going to add in some water. And let's give it some seasoning. Actually, I showed you a lot of seasoning just now. It is really optional. You just want to put soy sauce also can, because this itself is already quite flavorful. Okay, this is oyster sauce. So this is oyster sauce, premium light soy sauce, dark soy sauce for the color, some fine salt, balance it with a bit of fine sugar. I think the rest I no need to put. This is good enough. Oh, super fragrant. We still have some green portion of the spring onion and some chili padi for garnishing later, yeah? See? Our super flavorful steamed fish sauce is ready to be used. All right, it's done. Oh, look at the beautiful whitish color of the fish. Let me show you. Can you see the fish? Look at how beautiful and whitish is it. So I'm going to throw away the fishy water there. Yeah, that is a source of fishiness. Then we will pour the steamed fish sauce. So we have poured away the fishy water and the ginger. Then bundle the fish with our beautiful steamed fish sauce. Oh, looks so good. And garnish it with some spring onion and chili padi. Make it more appetizing. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.